Now we can't have a picnic, y'all, without a dip. So the dip I'm gonna be making for my family today is called a creamy scallion dip. So I've got my 4 cups of sour cream. I'm gonna dump in my 2 teaspoons of cumin, 2 teaspoons of chili powder. This is gonna be kind of almost like a Mexican dip. All right, now the juice of 1 lime, and that's gonna give it a nice tart flavor. And now 6 chopped green onions, and then a little fresh ground pepper, a little salt. How simple is that? And it's really a nice change from like your buttermilk dips or something like that. And you can see that I've got a mixture of different chips, which makes for a little bit more interest. And I just love the black corn chips. They have a little spice to them. Mmm. Oh, it's so good.